Hey guys, Erica here, Crafty Poodlemom 29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today with 3 more challenge entries. Yay! I know I say this every video, but I am so super excited. This first entry is from my dear friend Siv, who is a Crafty Poodlemom here on YouTube. Hi Siv, thank you so much for participating. Yay! Okay, I just took out her entry and this is how it came packaged, and look how adorable. She's got some really cute heart cookie cutters on there for me. That is so super sweet. Yay, thank you. And you sent me some more of this beautiful eyelash trim. Siv was kind enough to send me some in some Happy Mail last year, and I still have some, so yay, but now I have a little bit more, and I'm trying to open this without, okay, I'm gonna get my scissors, sorry you guys. I don't want to mess up the trim because I can reuse that. All right, I'm gonna put that off to the side and open up her package. That's a cute bag, by the way, too. So cute. Okay, here is her mini loaded bag, and I'm just gonna put this off to the side. Look how pretty it is. Oh my goodness. It says sprinkled with fun. Oh, it's adorable. I love the way you decorated it. Look at her pocket. She used, I think this, I forget that paper line. I can't think of it right now, but that's really cute. It says, let your inner domestic goddess shine. How cute is that? And she's got all these pretty rosettes, crepe paper rosettes, and a puffy heart. So cute, I love it, and I like those stickers that you used. How fun. All right, let's take out her 2 baking tags. Oh my goodness, and I think that popped off. Let me just stick that back on. There, okay. Look how adorable her baking tags are. Oh my goodness, I think your stickers, they got stuck to the tags. That's okay, all right. Look at this adorable girl. She used a cat scrappiness tag die, and she has this adorable little girl. I wonder if she is from Cricut or if she's a die. I'm gonna watch your video to find out. And it says made with love. Oh, she's adorable, Siv. I love her. She's holding a purple mixing bowl. That is so extra cute. Yay, thank you so much. And look at the back, homemade with love. And she's got a stamped image of an apron. Absolutely adorable. Thank you so much for that, Siv. And she's got another one exactly the same. So yay, I get 2. Awesome, love those tags. All right, I'm gonna take her stuff out of here, and she's got this loaded, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this out. Here we go. Oh my gosh, she's got some goodies in here for me. Thank you so much, Siv. You're such a sweetheart. And I'm so sorry that you didn't get my package. Oh, it's so sad, but don't worry. I'll send you some more Happy Mail soon, I promise. All right, so here is her card. Let's start with that first. All right. Oh, look at that. That's really cute. It's a card. Look how adorable. It's like it's a skirt with a poodle. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's so cute. Okay, let me look at the card. Hi Erica, this is my first memory decks. Thank you for always inspiring me with your sweet crafty shares. Big hugs, Siv. Oh, thank you, Siv. That's such a cute card. You guys, she's Crafty Poodlemom, so if you guys don't know, check out her channel, but she has poodles, so that is why her name is what it is. But thank you for that. And oh my gosh, did you give me, oh my gosh, that's so super sweet. She gave me a gift card to Tuesday morning, you guys. Oh my gosh, she knows I love Tuesday morning. Siv, that was so generous. Thank you for that. You shouldn't have. That is so super sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh. All right, let's look at her memory decks card. Oh my gosh, and I'm so glad you did a poodle theme. Okay, so she's got this cute dimensional poodle. I wonder if that's like a Jolie's Boutique sticker. And then she's got this adorable heart with a paw print, and it says, OMG, you are the best. Oh, and then she has an embossing folder that has little doggy footprints all over it. Absolutely adorable. Love her. Love it, love it. Oh my gosh. And she looks like your dog. And there is her information, you guys. She's a Crafty Poodlemom here on YouTube, and I will link her Instagram and her YouTube channel. You guys will definitely be inspired. She has a lot of crafty shares and makes a lot of cute things, and she joins a lot of different types of swaps. And you guys definitely need to show her some love. So that is so super sweet. Thank you for your adorable Memory Decks card. All right, and then she sent me, you're so sweet, she sent me some beautiful cabochons, and they're purple and lavender, and I just love, I don't have these, so thank you so much for gifting those. So sweet. And then she sent me some Daiso. Oh, they're like little plastic bags. And it says, may you always, what does it say? May you be always surrounded with happy smiles. Oh, that is adorable. Thank you for that. And it even comes with a little tag that says best wishes. Oh, thank you for sharing. And then she sent me this one too, and it's clear plastic bags. And I think these, yep, it says from Daiso. Yay, thank you, Siv. These are cute unicorn bags, and it says for you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for blessing me with that. And then look, she even has one more gift. She spoiled me, and look at that holographic wrapping paper. How fun is that? Okay, let me open this up and see what this is. Oh my goodness, I feel like it's my birthday. Oh my goodness. What did you send? Oh, she sent me these stamps from Tuesday morning. Oh, thank you, Siv. This is a baking themed stamp set by Echo Park. Thank you so much. That is so thoughtful. Yay! You're so super sweet, Siv. Big crafty hugs to you, my friend. All right, and then she also sent me this set of bags. It says, I used one bag from this pack to swap your tag. Oh, she used one of the bags. Oh, so it's this bag that she had her thing, had her mini loaded bag wrapped in. Oh, thank you so much for gifting me some. Yay, thank you, Siv. That is so super sweet and so generous. You guys show her some love and definitely check out her channel. This was such an awesome entry. Oh my goodness. All right, I have another entry I'd like to share with you, so let me just pull it. Just give me 1 second. And this next entry, it says Matthew. So we're gonna open this together and see who this is from. I do apologize, you guys. I did not open up this package before I started filming. Okay, so this is how her package came. I'm gonna open up the card. And it's a handmade card, and it says, what does it say? It says, home fills my heart. Oh, she had it backwards. Fills my heart with love. Oh, that's super sweet. Very pretty paper. Look, it's like baking themed paper, and she's got her pretty twine up there. Very pretty. All right, let me see. It says, congrats on reaching 11,000 subscribers. All the best, Cindy Matthews. Oh, thank you, Cindy. Thank you so much for participating. I truly appreciate you making me a handmade card. Love that. Well, let's go ahead and open up Cindy's entry. And here it is. It's a mini, here's her mini loaded bag, which is super sweet. It's Home Sweet Home, and she's got my name on the front of the bag. She used some doilies and part of the paper collection. Super, super pretty. Love it. And I'm going to go ahead and take out her 2 baking tags, and it looks like they're exactly the same, and it says homemade with love. I promise you guys I can read. And it's got a cute little mixer, and she's got her little apron, and she's got a little mixer that's on dimensionals. It's really, really pretty, and she layered her tags. I think these are diamondized tags. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for those. And then on the back, she has to and from. Oh, so sweet. All right, and then she has something else in this. Oh, she sent me a goodie. Look at how pretty those are. They've got a lot of glitter, and I can use these on an Easter project. So yay, thank you for that. That's so sweet. And she even sent me some stickers, some K&Co. Oh, it's like chalk stickers. Thank you for this goodie as well. And let's see what's in her bag. Let's look at her memory decks card, and she's got a few other little goodies in here. So sweet. And this is the back of her bag. And you guys see the super cute mixers. Isn't that adorable? All right, let's look at her memory decks card, and here it is. And she did a baking theme. Oh, it's super, super sweet. I love this paper. I wonder if it's authentic. But she's got all of her little utensils in here, and then she's got her info inside of there. So let me just turn it around. And this is the back, and it says homemade with love. Oh, I love your memory decks card. So sweet. All right, let me just pull her little information out. And I'm just gonna cover up her address. But there is her name, Cindy Matthews, and and I think that's her YouTube as well. And then that's her email address. Okay, so you guys can find her on YouTube. Cindy, thank you so much for participating. And I like the way you did the little tab in the back with your information. I love the idea of adding a pocket to the back of the memory decks card. That's a great idea. Love it. And then she sent me some really, really pretty charms. Look at all these little pretty charms. It says create, and it's the little scissors, and oh, crayons. It's like a crafty mix. Oh, thank you so much for that. I will put that with my charms, and I will put them to use, I promise. And then she also sent me these really pretty stickers, and they're clear, and they're by recollection, and they're different cameras. Oh, I love that. Adorable. So super sweet. Thank you for that goodie as well. And then she sent me a purple bird cage. Oh, yay. I can use this on a project for sure. So that is so super sweet. Thank you for participating, and I really enjoyed your entry. Okay, so here is my next entry, and this next entry is from Pam Stinson. Hi Pam, thank you so much for participating. I truly appreciate you supporting my channel and joining the fun. This is the way her mini loaded bag came, and look how absolutely gorgeous it is. I love this trim, and I think I'm pretty sure I picked some of this up from Michael's. And then she's got my name in bling, which I love. I love that. And let's take out her tags. Looks like she's got a few in here. So let's start with this first one. And she used a lot of different stickers, and it says I love cooking, and it says yum, and she has some fun enamel dots on the front. And then that's the back. I can stamp a to and from, or write a to and from. And then she used, this is the next one, and she used some really pretty paper, and I love the way you did the enamel dots. And again, using those stickers, that's a great use of stickers right there. Absolutely adorable. Thank you, thank you. And then look at this one. How clever is this? It's in a envelope, and look at that mixing. It's a sugar cookie rollout with the dough and the roller. How cute is that? That's a dimensional sticker. Oh, that's really neat. See how she has it in the envelope? So cute. And this is a holiday themed one. Oh, love it. Happy holidays. So I can put this on Christmas sugar cookies. Perfect. I love all these stickers. I love it. They're so cute. Thank you for that. I'm gonna stick that back in there, and let's pull out her memory decks card. And here it is, and it says ooh la la. Oh, I love it. I like the border, and it looks like she used maybe a die right there. And I love this paper, and I love how you added some bling, and it says C'est la vie. Absolutely gorgeous. Love your memory decks card. Let me just turn it over, and I'm gonna cover up her address, which she's Pam Stinson. And there's her YouTube, and she's also on Instagram as Pam's STI Plan. So that's where you can find her. Thank you so much for participating. Let me go ahead and open up. There is a card in here, and this is the way it came packaged, and it's packaged, and it says note. Oh, that's really pretty. I like those stickers. All right, so let's open it up, and she's got a Velcro closure. That's very nice. And then this is the card. Oh, so cute. I love this paper. And then just on the inside it says, hooray! That is adorable. It says, hi Erica, congrats on your 11,000 plus Subbie challenge. I'm so glad I was able to join this challenge. I had so much fun making everything. Hope you enjoy. I don't do videos, but I do have an Instagram. Thanks, Pam. P.S. Last minute, I made the Christmas tag. Oh, that's so super sweet. I truly appreciate you sending me more than 2 tags. That was very, very sweet of you. Thank you, thank you. You guys, please show these ladies some love and leave them a comment on today's video and tell them what you think. And check out their YouTubes and Instagrams and see what they are creating. All right, I will be back in the next video. I have more to share with you guys. See you soon.